Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 using your lock screen pattern. So the best decision in such situation would be to try to remember the lock screen pattern that you used the last time when you successfully entered your tablet. But if it doesn't seem possible to you, then the best decision would be to try and contact Samsung customer support service and simply explain this issue to them. If you can prove the ownership of your tablet to them, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this tablet, maybe the card box of the tablet will be enough. They'll be able to let you regain access to your device without removing any data from it. If you haven't tried yet, go ahead and try it, and in case this option isn't available for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation, which will erase everything from your tablet, but will surely let you recover the access to your device. In order to perform a factory reset operation on your device, you have several different options. If you want to, you can perform it locally, and you can also perform it remotely in two different ways on Samsung devices. Now let me start with the remote factory reset operation. In order to perform a remote factory reset on your tablet, you're gonna need a separate device with internet connection. It can be your phone, it can be another tablet, it can be PC, anything that can connect to the internet, basically. And on that other device, depending on which device you use, which account you used on your Samsung tablet, you have to either use the Google Find Hub service if you have a Google account linked to this tablet, or the SmartThings Find by Samsung if you have a Samsung account set up on your device. So if you used the Google account, then open the Find Hub service, go to Devices list. Oh yeah, of course, sign into your Google account on this website. Select your Galaxy Tab A11 and select Factory Reset Device to perform a factory reset operation on it. However, if you use the Samsung account on your tablet, you have to sign in on this website, then select a tablet on the list, and under Protect My Device section, you'll find Wipe My Device option. That's the option you have to use in order to perform the factory reset operation on your device. Once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again and start using it as a new device. Now, if you want to perform a factory reset operation locally, you can use the recovery mode of your tablet. If you don't know how to manage the recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. I suppose that's the title of the video, and we explain everything step by step in it, so you're highly welcome to go ahead and check it out if you need it. Before I finish this video, I also want to show you one other case which might be useful for you if you do remember the pattern that you used the last time to unlock your device. It's just that it doesn't get accepted on in the normal mode while you're normally trying to enter it. And maybe there is some third-party application that is causing issues, that is making your lock screen behave differently, or maybe it just makes your tablet lag. And in such cases, the solution might be the safe mode, and trying to enter and reset your password in the safe mode, since that would be much easier. That in the safe mode there are no third-party applications active on your tablet, so in the safe mode you'll be able to easily enter your password if that's the issue. But to enter the safe mode on this tablet is it's not the easiest task, I would say. Basically, what you have to do, if you cannot access your device's pattern, you're gonna have to force restart your tablet by holding down the power button and volume down keys and first until you see the power menu on your screen. So you have to see the power menu on your screen, and then just keep holding both of these buttons together until the screen of your tablet goes off. And once it goes off, you have to release both of these keys. In a moment, the Samsung logo will appear on your screen, and you're gonna have to wait until we also see Galaxy secured by Knox. Wait for a couple of seconds, and only then start pressing the volume down button. It's very tricky, and I don't know if I just managed to do that in time, but basically once you start holding the volume down key, just keep holding it until the until your tablet reboots again. Hopefully that will boot us into save mode. It requires a couple of attempts. I was lucky to get into safe mode at the first attempt. As you can see right now, there is the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the tablet. Now try to use your lock screen pattern, and in case you succeed, then first of all, before you start managing your applications and removing the ones that may interfere with your lock screen, go to settings first, then scroll down to security and privacy section, and in this section you're gonna have to select lock screen and confirm your pattern pattern, and then select either swipe or none in order to disable it. And that's it. Now simply press the power button for a couple of seconds, select restart, and reboot your device into normal mode. And the issue will be resolved if that was the case. So I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.